Welcome back to the special edition of Banfield Hidden Homicide. The 1996 was the year. It was the death of Mary Ann Hayes, and it was ruled a suicide. But some of the nation's preeminent experts in the type of death that she suffered say Mary Ann's case is suspicious, to say the very least. And as it turns out, her death is not the only suspicious suicide in her family. Here's Larry Potash from NewsNation's affiliate WGN in Chicago with more.
My name is Gail Strack. I'm a former public defender, prosecutor.
What made you want to become a prosecutor?
Well, I think it all starts when I met Casey Gwinn. We ended up joining forces on how to fix the system in San Diego. One thing led to another, and here we are taking on another big challenge.
I think the case that has really brought so much attention to the work that we're doing was the case involving Robert and Stacy Feldman. It was a case in which a woman appeared to have fallen in a bathtub. That case languished for a couple of years in Denver, Colorado, because the medical examiner couldn't say that it was a homicide. And Robert Feldman is now serving life without possibility of parole. We helped solve a case that had been ruled an accidental death.
Do you have fond memories of those early years?
Yes and no. I mean, we were the outsiders and the new kids on the block. Although we did fit in, but there was a lot of turmoil at home, a lot of fighting between my mother and Don. Stephen and I were the children of my mom's first marriage, and there was a huge divide in the family. It was difficult. A lot of things aren't discussed. There's never been a discussion of Stephen's death. As little kids, we held hands all the time. We were one and the same. It was always Robin and Stephen together. We did everything together. We were really, really close. Stephen had a hard time finding himself. Stephen didn't have great role models. My father was abusive with Stephen or would beat him. You know, Don would beat us. My mother and Stephen didn't have that relationship that I had with my mother. Things didn't come as easy as they did for me. When I decided to go to school in Texas, I sold my car to Stephen. He wrapped it around a telephone pole one night. He had been drinking, and he made an offhanded comment to my mother that, yeah, I should have been dead. But still, they were all very hopeful. Two of his best friends from high school, they were working for a painting and refinishing company. Everything was going really well. My mom wanted all of her children home for the summer. So the day before I come home, Steve drove by my mom's car, waved, said he had to run an errand for Don in the city, and he'd be back in an hour. Don's shop had two showrooms in the front and an office. And then in the back was basically a big garage where he had all his trucks and forklifts. And Stephen was found hanging from the boom of a forklift. There were a couple of inconsistencies, things that no one explained. There was no investigation, no interviews, no note. I had questions, but we were told it was suicide, and that was it, case closed.
Do you find his death suspicious?
I do. I think it's very suspicious. These are the photographs that were taken by the medical examiner after Stephen's death. I've never seen a knot this complex, this unique in a suicide.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.